Take apart. Separate something into its parts. He took apart the bike to fix the broken chain. I love taking things apart to see how they work. Take back. To return something you borrowed or bought. I need to take back the shoes I bought. Don't forget to take the library books back. Take aside. To move somebody away from a group for a private conversation. My manager took me aside to discuss my promotion quietly. She took him aside at the party to tell him the news. Take off. To leave a place suddenly. He took off without saying goodbye to anyone. As soon as the meeting ended, she took off in a hurry. Take up. To start doing a new job or activity. I took up painting during the holidays. She's thinking of taking up yoga to relax. Take off. To subtract a particular amount from a total. She took off 20% because I had a coupon. The waiter took off $5. Take away. To subtract a number from another number. If you take away 10 from 30, you get 20. Take 5 away from 15 and you're left with 10. Take back. To admit that something you said was wrong. I didn't mean what I said. I take it back. He apologized and took back his rude comments. Take in. To look carefully and notice details. I couldn't take in all the information during the lecture. She showed me her new apartment, but I didn't take much in. Take out. To subscribe or register for something officially. I took out a new gym membership last week. He took out insurance before going on the trip. Take to something. To start doing something regularly. She has taken to jogging every morning. I have taken to reading before bed to relax. Take up. To be very busy doing something. She is so taken up with her new job. He has been taken up with his studies all week.